Today you'll learn the basics of prototyping in Figma. Prototyping is making a preliminary model of something to see how it works. Interactive prototypes are great for design reviews and helping others envision the final product's look and feel. This process can be used to emulate user flow on a web page. To create a prototype, you'll need a design. You can design in the Design tab and prototype in the Prototype tab. To start, switch to Prototype mode, and here you'll shape and edit your prototype. The first step in making a prototype is deciding where to begin. In this example, if the user clicks on this project, it should open up the project. You'll notice a blue circular node on the right side of the shape. This is where the prototype connection begins. Click and drag to draw a connection arrow from this node. Attach it to any other frame on the page. To remove a connection, click the connection arrow, drag it to an empty space, and release. Now that we have a connection, let's see it in action. Click the play icon to open up a new tab. In the prototype, if you click outside the connected thumbnail, a blue box highlights. This shows a hotspot. These are useful when identifying which elements are interactive. Clicking this hotspot takes you to the connected frame. However, this frame isn't connected further. Return to prototype mode to keep building connections. Clicking the logo on the top left should take the user back to their dashboard. To do this, select the arrow, click, and drag a connection back to the start. Back in presentation mode, changes will show without the need to refresh. Clicking the logo while in the project will now take the user back to their dashboard. You've now grasped prototyping basics in Figma. This video was created with Castofly, a cloud-based web platform that allows you to record, refine, and publish product demo videos with ease.